Welcome to Appliance Factory Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the top 5 washers for 2019. In no particular order, let's go take a look. Number 5 on the list is the GTW 460. So this is a traditional top-load machine. The one thing about this that makes it a standout is the fact that it does have that fin-style agitator on the inside, but there's a catch. In today's top-load laundry, most of them, you can't actually select your load size. So for some of you out there that still want that control of the load size, this machine still gives that to you. However, it still has a precise fill, using the weight of the clothing and the water level to actually choose its own water level, being much more efficient. So this gives you the best of both worlds, both the load size and that high efficiency tweak to be more on the efficiency side. It still does a fantastic job of washing clothes, and with the top load with an agitator, pulls the water or the clothing through the water as opposed to pushing it up and away, being harder on clothing. So, number 5 on the list is the GTW 460. Number 4 on the list is gonna go to Speed Queen. The TR3000 is old school. Now what I mean by that is this thing is built to last. So from a robustness, from a durability, this thing takes the cake. You can't find something beefier or better. However, there are no bells and whistles here. It is a traditional top-load machine with a fin agitator. There's no funny business at all. There's also no efficiency here, and as far as clothing care, it's kind of going to beat some things up. But that's what some people need. You want something to throw in there for the load size, you select the load size, you select the cycle, and off you go. It's going to wash your clothes, it's going to last you your lifetime pretty much, but this guy takes number 4 on the list. Number 3 on the list is going to go to the Electrolux EFLS 527. This guy has a couple of features that are standouts in the front load market. Number 1 of the few doors in the front load market where the door can switch sides. In the front load market, almost all doors on these guys have to open from the right to the left. The Electrolux can actually switch sides to open the other way around for those pesky situations where the washer needs to be on the other side. In addition to that, the Electrolux machines, both washer and dryer, fit in a smaller footprint than most of your other front load machines out there, giving, depending on your laundry room and dimensions, you to be able to put this guy in a much tighter fit. Those are 2 of the benefits. There's another one. Front loads are known for the vibrations. The Electrolux actually has a counterbalance system that makes it so it has a second floor guarantee. So if this thing is vibrating on the second floor, they're going to help you out. But I actually own this guy. No vibration problems in my household. There is one last thing about it. As far as cleaning goes, it keeps winning the best cleaning in the environment when it comes to these styles of models. So the Electrolux takes the cake when it comes to cleaning and versatility, but still only number 3 on the list. Great pickup. My personal favorite, and the one that I own myself. But let's move on to number 2 and number 1, which brings us to number 2 on the list. Number 2 isn't there for bells and whistles. It's not there for anything other than the pure value it brings to what it is. The WM3500, the LG machine. This guy generally goes anywhere from $700 to $800, but what it offers is a 4.5 cubic foot washer, which in today's terms may seem average, but that is a king-size blanket plus sheets. It is a giant machine for the price point. Not a lot of bells and whistles on this guy, only a handful of cycles, but for someone that needs that machine that's going to be a large capacity, that's reliable, and they put a 10-year warranty on that direct-to-drive motor that they've got in there. So with that longer warranty than you'll find in a lot of machines, yes, it's parts only, yes, it is limited, but still they guarantee that motor and that large capacity for the price that it sits for us. Best value by far. While not fully featured, it gets the job done. And taking number 1 is going to be Maytag. Fully featured, fantastic value, great capacity, but doesn't break the bank. So this one gives you kind of the best of all worlds. So number 1, Maytag with its commercial technology, using more commercial components than you'll find in most residential machines. At the same time, steam in the washing machine, 4.8 cubic foot, so a very, very large machine, but at the same time giving you a nice sleek look on the front. Nice. I love the fact of how large the gap is in the seal to allow you to collect any items that are in there, and you have to scrunch your fingers in, but at the same time not overwhelm you with bells and whistles. So, sitting between $800 and $900 usually on sale, the Maytag, it's the MHW 6630, takes the number 1 spot for us today. Guys, thank you very much for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe to our page, and we'll see you next time.